Within each week, you will see in-person and remote modules. So you'll see that they look very similar. The only major difference is that these ones will be pages and these will be assignments. That way with pages, students can mark them as done if they wish, but I don't have to worry about anything on the Canvas side since students will be turning that in on paper. For the remote ones, these are assignments so that students can actually submit their assignments online since they will be remote. So if you click on in person, then you'll see this one. You'll see first the notes section. This is a video of me completing the notes. It may be also a video of someone else completing some example problems. Since we will be remote, you may decide that you want to use someone else's video, or you may decide that you want to create your own videos. Either of those would be perfect options, but I wanted to give you the space and time to decide how your students would receive direct instruction. It does have a link to the notes themselves, so students can print them out if they want to. And then in class, since this is the in-class version, sometimes students use this to sort of like find the right notes and make sure that they're on the right page. And then the assignment will be listed. Since this is the in-class version, the assignment tells them what pages to work on their packet, and then the IXL has the direct link so that they can go straight there rather than having to find the link. If there is any extra credit, I usually tag these in orange. In this case, the extra credit was in IXL. This looks fairly similar or exactly the same in terms of what the remote one looks like, except you can see that this is set up for the assignments. When they click, so they'll see the notes here, and if they want to print them, they can do the same. Instead of it referring them to the packet, however, these are set up to show them the exact assignment, which looks like this. So these assignments are daily rather than weekly. So they'll see all the topics from the week, but the one that they're working on will be highlighted. Instead of having large boxes where they're going to write them in, I condensed it so that they see chunks of problems. So in this case, they'll do 4 problems, and then they're going to take a picture of their work and post it into this box. The same is true for these 5 through 8, and then the same is true for 9 through 12. So basically, anytime that they see yellow, that means that they should be doing something. So they can read the directions and see what to do there. And then finally, here is that IXL that they would be working on if they were in the packet. They're going to screenshot it and paste it here. I did leave a box for the extra credit in case they wanted to complete that as well. So then this is what a student would turn in on Monday rather than waiting until Friday to turn in their work like in their whole big packet, or rather than getting a stamp from the stamp system, they would get this, they would turn this into the remote section. You can find all of the remote items are in the Q1 Google Drive. If you click on remote, you'll be able to see each of them is just listed by concept all the way through. So you can decide if you want to use the notes from the in-class time, or if you want to make your own, or if you want to use these assignments. They're all listed here, as well as posted as assignments in each of the different concepts on Canvas. For me, I grade them 10 points for completing the notes and 20 points for completing each assignment. That means weekly packets range anywhere from maybe 60 points to 100 points, depending on how many concepts we complete. And then that way I'm able to sort of make sure that they're both completing their notes as well as working on their assignments.